Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. In this part 4, I believe, on this series on clarity algo indicator, man, I've been receiving a lot of messages. Um, and in particular, I actually received an email today, and I wanted to actually check it out. I'm gonna show you this email because it was not me, but this person was recommending me a similar indicator like the actual clouds from the clarity algo indicator, which I'm going to show you here. I'm going to talk about this video these guys are posting, based on the indicator and the trades this guy took. And so you see this clouds right there, man. I mean, to be honest, I don't trade this way. I don't trade using indicators. Right now I'm concentrating only in price action, supply and demand. But trading with indicators, I like trusting only on indicators, which is basically what he is doing, and what he is trying to teach or to show here is to use the indicator and trust almost like 100% on the indicator. I don't like that, but I will show you that it's possible to do it without having to literally pay hundreds of dollars for this indicator. It's a monthly thing. It's not even a one-time payment. It's a monthly thing for an indicator that at the end of the day is just an indicator. Okay, you shouldn't be buying just because the price is above a certain moving average, or below just because, or selling just because the market is just going below the cloud, or whatever the situation is, right? You have to have a lot of things. Price action is key. So I'll show you. I'll talk about it on this video a little bit. But on this email that I received today, right, he was saying that there is a particular indicator very similar to those clouds that we just saw on the indicator, right? On the real indicator. This is an alternative, okay, that I'm showing you here. And if you have not seen my previous videos, I recommend you go in here at the corner, at the top of the corner. This is the fourth video that I post about this indicator alternative that you can try it, so you can see the actual indicators that I'm using. So this third indicator that this person, thank you, by the way, just shout out to you, man. Thank you for actually letting me know and helping the community out. I'm starting to like this sort of series. If you guys want to, like, you happen to spot something else, you want me to share it with everybody, just let me know. You can send me an email, and I'll definitely check it out, and I can share it. Or even maybe another type of indicator, not necessarily from Clarity Algo. It could be from anybody, another trader, and we can try to look for an alternative, for a free alternative. So I'm up for it. I like this series. So let's get it right. So this is the actual indicator here. Is called tobacco channel. It's just like that. Just go in indicators here, and I think I have it as a favorite right now. Right, tobacco channel. This is the actual creator. Right, let me go ahead and just open it so you can see. Right, it's basically the clouds, right? And the way I have set it up similar. Now the way I set it up is just by watching this thing, because he doesn't explain. Well, he does show the setups right here, but I was trying to look exactly like what is the exact middle line, because I want to see what the line is. So it's sort of similar, the same with the clouds, right? So I happen to find out it looks like it's a 50, okay? And I'll show you why. So I happen to manage it this way. This is how I have it at the moment. This, to me, it's a 50, and I'll show you why. Style, I haven't changed anything of this yet, because we're going to be paying attention to pretty much everything right now. The cloud, the way he entered, let me show you here. I'm going to be giving you this example is based on his video, all right, that he posted. And look at this. He actually entered as soon as this body of the candle closed above the 50, all right? So look at the candles. How many candles we have here? So just to have an idea. Like, this is maybe the little one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. So the fifth candle right here, and just a little bit, like maybe a 10 or 20% of this candle, fifth candle. So that's how I went in here, right? Sort of different. Now mine is showing this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth candle, and it's showing, like, you see what I mean? The entry is literally, so that's why I was just testing out, just double clicking in this thing and just going up and down just to see. For example, went to the 40. The 40 is a lot lower. So I was just testing out, and I happened to find out that the 50, based on his example, is actually um, the best for the example. So literally, what he did, he entered as soon as that candle closed, and he placed a stop here, right? And then he was aiming, like it looks like when it started breaking, or it started, it's sort of weird, but it looks like he got in when the market was touching. Let's see. Okay, he sort of explains right here. This, I think, this is the part when he says that you can get out when the market starts actually breaking below. So if you want to use that, right, the price actually, you can close it once the market starts breaking below, which is this candle right here, breaking below. So maybe that's your target, or you could be aiming the clouds also. Like sort of like when the market is touching either the second cloud. This is the first cloud, second cloud. He has three clouds. Yeah, he has three clouds. This one only shows two. I was not able to manage how to get to three clouds, but I mean, I guess that doesn't matter. You can just aim to the first cloud if you want. Um, or just maintain holding, and as soon as it starts breaking below the 50%, right, which is basically a trend indicator, right, as soon as it breaks, okay, you're out, right? But literally he was just getting in just because he saw the price skyrocketing. Okay, we can say that maybe, yeah, there was a support here, right? And he, market did skyrocket from here very strong. Look, I'm still actually using the super trend indicator, right, which is this little buy signal right here. That's the super trend indicator. So he gave the buy, and he entered on the sale. Then he actually caught a sale in here when the market broke the 50, and you see even the trend indicator is also giving me the signal to sell. So it's even better, with using this indicator, the super trend. It will give you definitely the signal to sell. So he got in there, and he stayed profit. You see, he was maybe aiming to the clouds. This one right here, he entered. See, it was a big crash right there. So similar thing. Like you can close. No, I think he closed. Yeah, he closed it when the price came back up. He closed it when the price came back up above the 50. So he closed it actually here. That's what he closed when the price actually closed above. Or was it this one? Hold on. Yeah, you see, it's a little different. It's a little different. I'm not gonna lie. It does have a little difference, but right here, like you can see that the market did not break above, right? The first touch, right? But in this case, in here, it did break above, and it broke again. So on his, the market is just barely touching. But I mean, as I mentioned, it's just fine because this is just an alternative, all right? Not just because you get the indicator it means you're gonna get a lot of money, guys. All right, please, it's not like that. It's not like that. And I don't trade based only on indicators. Okay, not just because the market is climbing above the 50%, it means it's gonna maintain all the way up. Yeah, sometimes you can actually get some really good results, but more often than not, you could get stopped out. If you got excited here, maybe you could have got stopped out. Here, okay, it did pushed up really nice. It did maintain. It's been strongly bullish these last couple of days, gold. But on markets where the price is literally consolidating, it's moving a lot of sideways. This is it sucks because this is literally it will help you the most if the market is trending to the either to the downside or to the upside. This indicator will definitely help you. But when market gets choppy, you see when it gets like that, oh, you're gonna get a lot of fake signals, right? So you cannot just buy or sell just because it isn't here. You see the market was just very choppy here, messing, maybe causing a lot of stop losses, right? When it's trending, maybe you can catch some, but still doesn't mean that you because you have this indicator it means that you're going to be getting into each and every single time the market just apparently gives you a break, right? Because just think about it, this is literally just a 50 uh, EMA or 50 simple moving average. It's a trend indicator. So like the best thing you can do, like as well as Mamba FX, the way he trades is breakouts, right? And I think that's the safest way to use this type of indicator. So if you spotted a trend and you got a break of the trend, go with that, right? I think that's the best thing you can do, following the price action, right? Rather than just following the what the indicator is just telling you right here. It's telling you to sell, oh, because it's just breaking the 50. And so the two indicators are telling you to sell right here, or even the three indicators, because now you also have uh, the the super trend now, right? You have the super trend, you have the 20, and now you have the 50. Everything is telling you to sell. You're going to go for the sell. You can catch it sometimes if you're lucky, yes, but not all the time. Okay, so I hope it makes sense, guys. I just wanted to show you this, that there is now the alternative for the cloud. If you want to test it out for yourself, go ahead and watch it. Go ahead and check it out. This is the actual creator. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it actually works for you. As I mentioned, I don't use it. I'm just doing this for the community because I'm getting a ton of requests now after posting the first couple of videos, and I'm just trying to help out here for people that maybe want to try it out. I don't know. So maybe if you want to even try the actual original, just go ahead and see if it works. Maybe it plays out for you. Maybe it's not going to work. Everybody's different. So that's it. With that being said, thanks again, guys, for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If you have any questions or you want to see more, maybe you have again another indicator, maybe not this one from this company or from these guys. You have another one that you want me to maybe look for another alternative, just let me know, and I can give it a try. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.